Your BNTouch dashboard is organized into several sub-tabs, each containing useful tools and information. The fifth sub-tab, In Processing, will provide a graphical representation of your in-processing pipeline, allowing you to see how your clients are progressing through their mortgage process. The first graph panel, In Processing Board, will show a chart of your in-processing clients divided by the various stages of loan processing they have reached. You can change the chart style using the drop-down menu in the upper left, and you can choose whether the values displayed represent the number of unique clients at each stage or the total values of the loans for clients in that stage using the toggle to the right of that menu. When you hover over points on each chart, you can view more detailed information for clients at that stage of processing. You can view a detailed in-processing report by clicking the link in the upper right corner, and the icon to the right of the chart can be used to save the chart as an image file. Below, a separate panel can be used to see a list of clients in processing with dates that they have reached each stage. You can narrow the list to only show records that have been assigned to you using the checkbox above the list. The blue name links for each client can be used to open their record in your CRM, and the symbols next to each milestone date will denote whether the date the client reached a new stage was ahead of schedule, on schedule, or behind their projected date. The drop-down menu in the upper right can also be used to see graphs and charts based upon the data for this list. In the Extended Processing Report, you can narrow the results by CRM user and either the number of records at each milestone or the total value of loans. You can also use the extra field link to the right to choose additional fields from each client's record to add to the list below the graph. You can also download this report as a CSV file for Excel using the link above. The Summary Report option will instead show separate graphs for each in-processing stage, letting you see how many clients or the total loan value for each CRM user in your business for each stage. You can use the menus above the graph to narrow the data, change the chart type, which value to display, and the time period you wish to analyze. Below the charts, you'll see a list of each user in your office that shows how many clients have progressed to each step in the loan process, allowing for easy comparison with previous weeks and months. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.